All right, let's just cut through all the hype. This is a real, tactical guide on how you can actually spin up what are essentially digital employees, agents that can go out and make money for you. So let's get right to the big questions, right? How can an AI agent really make you money? Like while you're sleeping? And maybe more importantly, is it actually possible to build a real business around this stuff right now? The answer is a resounding yes, and we're about to walk through exactly how you can do it. Okay, first things first. We need a critical mindset shift. We have to move past all those flashy viral demos you see all over social media. I mean, they're cool for sure, but a lot of them are just toys. The real money, that's hiding somewhere else entirely. So at the heart of all this is an open source platform called OpenClaw. Now, the best way to think about it is as a computer-use agent. You're basically giving an AI its own computer, and it can use that computer just like a person would, clicking, typing, navigating through software, even old-school systems that don't have nice, clean APIs. It is, for all intents and purposes, your digital employee. And this is the absolute key. You gotta get this. The real power here isn't making an agent do some cool party trick. No, it's about finding those boring, super repetitive, but high-value business problems and just turning your agent loose on them. That is where the gold rush is. So that all sounds great, but where do you even start? How do you land that first paying client? Well, you need what's called a wedge, a way to get your foot in the door. And believe it or not, the perfect marketplace for this already exists. You're gonna love this. A fantastic place to start is Upwork. No, seriously, people are out there right now literally posting jobs asking for this exact thing. You can just search for terms like automation or RPA, then just filter by high-value budgets. We're talking $1,000, $5,000, even $20,000 jobs. And here's the best part, the really meta part. You can even build an agent to go find these jobs for you and draft the proposals. And look, this isn't some theory. This is a quote from a real job posting. Someone is out there right now with their wallet open saying, I am ready to pay $1,000 for someone to build me this AI workflow. The demand is there. They're just waiting for you. Okay, so you've found a potential client. You've got a bite. Now what? You don't just jump in and start coding like a madman. No, you need a playbook, a methodical, design-thinking approach to make sure you're solving the right problem in the right way. This right here, this is your secret weapon. It's so simple, but so powerful. You take all the client's potential tasks and you map them on this simple matrix, value versus effort. Your job is to completely ignore those low-value, high-effort tasks down in the bottom right. You want to start directly in that top left box, the high-value, low-effort, low-hanging fruit. That's your wedge. And the process itself is actually pretty straightforward. First, you interview the client. And hey, you can use an AI tool to record and transcribe the whole call so you don't miss a thing. From that conversation, you pinpoint that high-value, low-effort opportunity. Then, and this is so important, you visually map out the entire workflow from tip to tail in a tool like Figma. You have to see the whole picture before you can automate it. All right, you've found the problem, you've mapped out the solution. Now it's time to actually build your digital workforce. And the trick here is not to build one giant monolithic agent. You need to build a team. This is such a brilliant architecture. You have a main agent that acts like a manager, an orchestrator. Its only job is to stay free, oversee the work, and hand out tasks. Then you have your sub-agents. These are the specialists, the workers. Each one is designed to do one specific skill really, really well. One for research, one for data entry, one for posting on social media. This creates incredible leverage and keeps your whole system from getting bogged down. So how fast can you really do all this? Is it all just theory? No way. Let's take a real idea, like a tool that spots viral TikTok trends before they even peak. And let's see if we can build a functional asset, a real digital employee in about 10 minutes. So here's how it goes down. 1, you start with the idea. 2, you test the core action in what's called a playground. Can the agent open a browser and scroll TikTok? Check. 3, once you've proven the concept, you use an API to wrap that action into a reusable skill. And 4, boom, you hit deploy. OpenClaw instantly spins up a brand new, dedicated virtual machine for your TikTok trend hunter. And just like that, it's alive and working. From idea to asset in literally minutes. Now, this ability to just rapidly build and deploy digital workers, that's not just some new feature. It represents a fundamental paradigm shift in how businesses are going to operate and what they're going to pay for. And this is the core idea of this whole explainer. Agents are the new software as a service. Think about it. In the past, you built software and you sold access to businesses who then had their humans operate it. The new model is totally different. You're going to build agents that perform valuable work, and you're going to invite businesses to use those agents. They're not buying a tool anymore. They're hiring a digital team. I mean, just think about what makes the perfect employee, right? It works 24/7 and never complains. It knows how to code. It can schedule its own tasks. You can literally just text it new commands, and it brings its own computer, so it never ties up any of your resources. That's what we're building here. And let's zoom out for just 1 second. This isn't just about business automation. The CEO of Anthropic said recently that the main thing holding us back from artificial general intelligence is building an AI that can operate a computer like a human. Well, what you're seeing here, this is that exact capability coming to life. This is that moment. Okay, so we have covered the what, the why, and the how. Now let's just boil it all down into a super clear action plan so you can get started building your very first digital asset like today. All right, here's the playbook, nice and simple. 1, go find real paying clients on places like Upwork who are already asking for automation. 2, use that value versus effort matrix to find your initial wedge. 3, map the entire process visually before you write a single line of code. 4, build a team of agents, a main orchestrator, and specialized sub-agents. 5, always start with the MVP, the smallest, simplest version of the skill you can. And 6, focus. Pick a vertical you already know something about, whether it's real estate or marketing, and just own it. The tools are here. The market is literally asking for these solutions. You now have the complete playbook to go from a simple idea to a money-making digital employee. So the only question left is, what digital asset are you going to build first?